And the key to thriving in this environment is focusing on areas where the human brain over excels over computational processing. And we'll show you that in the next slide. This isn't about competing with AI, but rather complementing it and with your distinct human capabilities. There was a Harvard Business School professor, Karim Lakhani. He describes this as superminds, the combination of human and machine intelligence, and no one outperforms the other one. So the critical question isn't whether AI will impact leadership, it's how you are going to position your unique cognitive human advantage within this changing landscape, just like the coffee bean. What are you going to transform into? How are you going to embrace this? How are you going to work with it so you maintain your leadership capabilities and expertise? And these are the differences. So AI excels at pattern matching based on extensive data sets. So it's identifying correlations in volumes of information that no human can process. But in contrast, humans excel at contextual integration of limited information, and they can extract the meaning from the sparse data options or data points.